So the way these two questions are tied together for all of you, and I think this is really important, guys. Understand that professional data science is about people. It's about people and solving their business problems. Not their algorithmic problems, not their analytics problems, not their math problems, their business problems. That's all they care about. And ultimately, that's kind of like what they're paying you for, right? Because nobody's really going to pay you to talk math to them. Who wants that, right? They're paying you to come in and say, hey, we looked at your sales data. This is the approach we think will work. Here's the experiments we ran, and we think that we can get you 10% increase in sales using a baseline of last year's sales. That's what they want to hear from you, right? And that's it. That's all they want to hear from you. How you got to those conclusions, it could have been an algorithm or it could have been a room full of monkeys. They don't care, right? So you have to be able to focus on that delivery and that level of approach to data science. That's ultimately, again, what they're paying you for, right? And data science is not a theoretical science. It's a practical application of science, right? It's an applied science where you have to go in and say, we collected the data, we ran it through our experiments, not our algorithms, our experiments, and here's what we think we can do for you. So, one, keep the math and code talk to a minimum. And two, you have to be able to meet them at their level as far as talking in business terms, right? So Bharath and Danny, I hope that helped you, because I think your questions are kind of correlated that way. But, that's the way you should be looking at it, because Danny, it sounds like you're thinking about a long-term career in this. So you are best served in your long-term career by understanding more of the business side.